Hi everyone. So this is the second part of our basic web development series. So in this part, we focus on learning about HTML headings, paragraph, and formatting. Okay, so let's start with the HTML headings. So headings are defined with H1 tag to H6 tags. So H1 defines the most important headings. Then sa H6 defines the less important headings. So H1 heading should be used for main headings, followed by H2 headings, then the less important H3, and so on. So note lang guys, pagdating sa mga headings, use HTML headings for headings only. Don't use them to make the text big or bold. Okay, so ito yung sample ng mga headings natin. Heading 1, Heading 2, Heading 3, Heading 4, Heading 5, and Heading 6. So kung notice natin, from Heading 1, malaki yung text. Then from Heading 2, mas lumiliit kumpara sa Heading 1 until sa Heading 6. So if you want na magkaroon ng bigger text, then don't use headings if yun lang yung purpose nyo. So if you want to do that, then manipulate the text size using CSS, which is we're going to have a video also on that particular matter. Okay? So ito na yung sample codes pagdating sa mga headings. So we're going to use this code. Let me just try to copy the code. And we're going to use the file that we have used before in our previous video, and we're going to paste it. Save, then let me go to the desktop. Open natin yung file natin. So yun. So ito yung mga headings natin. So those are the headings na mangyayari. So heading 1 basically ginagamit as the main topic of, let's say you have an article and meron kang main topic, that is the heading 1. Ngayon, yung subtopic mo will serve as the heading 2. So heading 3 naman, of course, yung pinaka third level topic or the subtopic mo, and so on. So there are sort of hierarchy pagdating sa mga headings. So as a reminder lang guys, note lang, don't use headings if your intention is to make a bigger text or bold. Okay? Don't use it. Use CSS instead. Okay, so that's for the heading. So next naman is paragraph. So the HTML element defines a paragraph. So we all know what paragraph is naman. So don't forget, note lang, don't forget the end tag of P heading because dropping the end tag can produce unexpected error. So ito yung sample. Meron tayong sample dyan. And ito naman yung sample code natin. So let me just try to copy lang muna para mas madali tayo. Kasi at the end of this particular tutorial, magkakaroon tayo ng activity that we're going to use yung mga matututunan natin ngayon. So, save natin, then go to the browser and refresh. So, yan. Yun. So, first paragraph, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. The second paragraph, and our third paragraph. Now, what will happen if nilagay ko to dito? Delete ko na lang to. And, refresh natin. So, one line. So, what if gusto nating bumaba pa rin siya? So, if you can still remember yung natutunan natin last time, we can place BR. And refresh. Yan. So, manonotice nyo guys, kung naka-BR ka lang within a same paragraph tag, yung space niya in between is mas maliit kumpara dito. Okay, this is one paragraph, this is a separate paragraph. So, yung space in between, differentiate. Okay? So, ibalik natin yung kanina. Okay, so ibalik natin yung kanina. Ctrl-C ko lang. Yan. Okay. Next naman is yung mga formatting. So, HTML formatting elements designed to display special types of text. So, ito yung mga sample output na meron tayo. Making a text bold. This is a text bold. Yung parang italic niya. Yung maliit na text. Yung naka-highlight na text. Yung as if parang deleted siya. Yung naka-underline or inserted na text. Then, yung subscripted na nasa baba yung parang small text. Then, yung superscripted, yung nasa taas na text, like yung sa mga exponent. Yun. So, paano naman yung pagdating sa code? So, ito yung mga sample code. Pagdating sa makapal na text, ito yun. Strong, gagamitin natin. Or sometimes they use bold. Then, sa italic naman, yung parang naka-incline, yung EM or emphasize. Then, para maging maliit ang text within the paragraph, we can use small. Then, if you want to highlight a text, we can use mark. Then, if you want na yung parang deleted, we can use del for that. Then, yung may underline kanina is yung ins. Then, yung nasa baba, ito naman yung sub. Then, yung parang exponent, ito yung sup. S-U-P. So, let me try to copy this code para makita natin yung output. Dito na lang sa baba. Indent ko lang. So, I try to indent every time naglalagay ako ng code just to organize yung code ko at saka mas maging readable siya. Refresh tayo. Yan. Yung bold na text, yung naka-italic, yung small. Although capital, as you can see, although capital yung mga text, since nilagyan natin ng small tags, so maliit siya kumpara sa ordinary text size. Then, meron tayong highlighted. So, meron tayong indicated ng deleted. So, yung naka-underline or inserted. Yung superscript at saka yung subscript. So, these are the text formatting na hindi mo kailangan text formatting pagdating sa HTML na hindi mo kailangan gumamit ng CSS. So, by default, it has its styles. Okay? But, you can also do this naman through CSS. Which is, pwede nyo yung mag-advance reading kayo or mag-watch kayo ng other videos. Okay? Okay, so quick activity tayo guys. So, look for an article that's written in newspapers or in some magazines that may be in a form of soft copy or hard copy. Then convert it into a website based on what we had learned so far. So, on my end, I have here a simple article. So, yung content nito is kinuha ko sa isang university website, yung Stermisa State University. So, kumuha lang ako for the sake na magkaroon tayo ng sample activity for this particular topic. Okay, so ito yung susundin natin. This part is, this is the headings. So, pwede natin i-consider itong heading 1. Then, yung mga paragraph niya. Then, as you can notice in the paragraph, merong mga naka-bold. Then, dito naman sa baba, merong naka-italic. Okay, so in this part, we're going to convert the text using the text formatting. Then, dito merong heading 2. Then, natin sabihin heading 2. Then, yung paragraph niya. Okay, so these are the content na magiging basis natin for creating our or doing our activity. Okay. Okay, so put tayo muna sa code. So I will try to delete this code para maging malinis siya. And refresh ko lang. Okay. So, yung pag-convert natin, hindi natin kokopyahin lahat. Huwag muna. Yung gagawin natin is one at a time lang. So, let's start first with the heading. So, since this is H1, pwede natin ng H1. Then, save. And let's try to refresh. Yan. Then, yung paragraph naman, which is, yung paragraph is p-tag. Okay, then next, meron tayong another paragraph. Okay, next, yung sa third paragraph. So, okay, so since nakopya na natin yung first part of the paragraph, mga paragraphs, then let's try to check kung ano yung output. Okay, ito yun. So, meron dito kulang pa, hindi pa naka-bold yung mga dapat naka-bold at hindi pa naka-italic yung dapat naka-italic. So, based sa ating sample article dito, naka-bold ito, at saka ito. Then, naka-italic naman yung ito. Until send. Okay. So, let's try to bold yung ito. So, paano? Strong yung gagamitin natin code for that or yung tags. Strong. So, dito naman. Strong. Strong dito. Save lang. Strong. Balik. Strong. Then, the last one is strong. Then, save. Check natin. Refresh. Yun. Nag-bold na siya. Then, sa italic naman. Start tayo dito sa student until delay. So, we're going to use M, or the emphasize, to italic our text. Okay. So, refresh. Yun. Nag-italic na yung part ng text nito. Okay, next tayo. So, let's proceed to the next heading. So, since it is a subheading, so, gagawin natin yung H2. Save. Then, try to copy yung mga paragraph niya. Save. Then, another third paragraph. So, yung mga red line na napapansin nyo dito, these are part of the MS Word. Hindi yan kailangan natin gayahin. Okay. So, save. Refresh. So, ito yung code. Meron pang isang paragraph. Tignan ko to. Okay. Save. Then, refresh. Yan. We're already done with our yung articles. So, tingnan natin. Check natin. May mapapansin tayo dito. Itong article, itong title or yung heading niya is parang naka-center siya. So, kung gusto nyo i-center, actually, yung things na pwede nating magawang solution is yung CSS. So, for the sake na may pakita ko sa inyo paano, we can use the style attribute. This is what we call the inline style sheet. Then, we can have the text align center to make our text center. Yan. So, ngayon, kung gusto nyo i-manipulate yung mga styles, mga ganong text align, yung font size niya, yung text size, ganon, you can manipulate that through CSS. So, at the moment, kasi focus pa tayo sa HTML, so, hindi pa masyado nating binibigyan ng pansin yun. So, pero soon, magkakaroon tayo ng mga videos that focus on those things naman. Okay? So this is the finished part of our activity. So I hope makaya nyo rin, magawa nyo rin yung activity natin. Okay, so I guess that's all for today. So I hope you learned something new. So just keep practicing, guys, para masanay kayo pagdating sa mga headings, kailan ba ito gagamitin, sa mga paragraphs, sa mga text formatting, paano ba sila gagamitin, mga ganon. So just keep practicing. Okay, so let's call it a day. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.